Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me for Christmas. I'll be sharing a small Christmas decor haul, cleaning my apartment just a little bit, and setting up some of my Christmas decor. There will also be some kittens in this video as well. I'm starting off by taking down my fall decor. I already took down all of my Halloween decor inside and out, but after Halloween I left out a few fall things just because it's still fall and we just had Thanksgiving, so I kept a few pumpkins out and some fall things that matched with that. But now that Thanksgiving is over, it's time to put out a little bit of Christmas decor. So in this video, I'm just going to be putting out a few things, but not much, but there will be more in the future, but this is just what I'm doing for now. So before I do any other cleaning in here, I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher first because it really needed to be done, but also because there was some dishes in the sink that needed to be loaded up in the dishwasher. So I'm going to get that out of the way first, and then I'll start wiping off my countertops. I'm just using some Mr. Clean mixed with water and a paper towel to wipe off the countertops. And then after I'm done wiping off all of my countertops, I'm going to be using my wet vac on the kitchen floor. Now I'm just doing a quick straightening up in the living room. I'm just going to straighten up the blankets and the pillows and vacuum the floor. Now I've moved on to my bookshelf. I'm going to give that a quick wipe down just because there was some dust on the shelves and some bird seeds as well. So I'm going to wipe all of that off and then vacuum the rug over here. Of course, I set up my nativity scene because what is Christmas without Jesus? He is the whole reason why we celebrate this holiday. He is the reason for the season. I love having my nativity scene out because it's a perfect reminder of that. But I will admit I get a little picky when it comes to the placement of the figurines. I kept moving them around so many times I had to cut that footage out because I did not want y'all to have to witness that. So now I'm just setting out a few little trees in the kitchen. I've had these for a few years now and I reuse them every year. They're just these little white mini Christmas trees. I honestly don't even know where I got them from, but I love them because they match my decor and they're just so cute and miniature. So now I'm going to show y'all my little Christmas haul. I got all of this stuff off of Amazon and the links to each of the items will be down below in the description of this video. The first thing I have here are these gorgeous light up present boxes. They are so pretty and so well made. They are white and sparkly with a silver ribbon and bow. There's a little greenery on top and a pine cone. They are battery operated and they have an on and off switch so you can literally put them anywhere. We haven't decided where we're putting them just yet though, but I'll definitely share that with y'all in another video. But these are absolutely beautiful. Next up, I got some red and buffalo plaid stuff to add to the kitchen. This was actually a set of 4, and it came with a set of 2 of each item. So there's 2 dish towels and 2 oven mitts. But I'm not going to be using the dish towels as dish towels. I'm actually going to be using them as decor, and you can even use them as placemats as well. And then next up is these Christmas hand towels. This was actually a pack of 6. I didn't even realize that, so now I have 6 of them. But they are very well made and very pretty, and each one says something different on it. Then I also got this gorgeous wooden hot cocoa bar. It's so pretty and I love it so much. It's very well made. It says hot cocoa bar on the front and has little cups of hot cocoa on it. It also says warm up here, and it has 2 handles on each side as well. I'll be putting all of this stuff up in my kitchen today. The last thing I got was this fence, which is made to go around your Christmas tree. It's a Christmas tree fence, but you could also use it for other things as well if you needed something like this for some other reason. But I got it to go around our Christmas tree this year just to switch it up a bit. It came with all the tools to put it together. We just hadn't put it together yet, so that's why it looks the way it does. But if you check out the link to it, you'll see how they have it set up, and it just looks so pretty to me. So onto the decorating, I'm going to wipe off my coffee jar with a paper towel and add this little red ribbon around it. This red ribbon actually came with a pack of Christmas towels, I think, so instead of throwing it away, I'm going to get some use out of it and put it on my coffee jar. Next up, I'm setting up my hot cocoa bar. Thank God I had those little mini marshmallows that I got to make the sweet potato casserole for Thanksgiving so I could add them to this. And I haven't bought any hot chocolate yet, but I did have that Ovaltine that I bought a few weeks ago, which you can use for hot chocolate too, so I guess it worked out good. I'm going to be putting the Ovaltine and the mini marshmallows in these little glass jars that I already had. The hot cocoa bar is kind of deep though, so my jars were just kind of hidden in there whenever I set them in there. So I took some cardboard and cut it and folded it and then wrapped some fake snow cloth around it to make it look better and to hide the cardboard. And then I just set the jars on top of that. I added in a little silver Christmas tree as well. But if you have taller jars, you don't have to do any of that, but my jars was just so tiny that I kind of had to, but I think it turned out pretty cute that way. Now I'm adding my Christmas towels to the stove handlebar. I'm also adding the oven mitts there as well. And I secured the oven mitts with a little white ribbon that I already had and tied it into a little bow so they could hang there. So at first I had put the little silver tree in the center, but we ended up going to Walmart and I grabbed some peppermint sticks, and I remembered that I had a jar that I could store things in, so I cleaned it up and added in the peppermint sticks to go along with the hot cocoa setup. And then while we were there at Walmart, we picked up a few more things. We just grabbed a couple of these Christmas tree ornaments to use as decor. They were only $1 something, so they were super affordable. So not only can you use Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree, you can also use them to decorate small spaces like this, or you can use them to decorate a wreath or some garland. So I already had this little white tray. It's a glass tray from Grove Collaborative. I got it years ago and I use it sometimes for different things, so I figured it would be perfect for this little setup. I think it all turned out pretty cute. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love to hear what you think. Let me know down in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.